Reit, mae hi'n 3:00, felly mae hi'n amser gwers 16, 10:03, gwers Cymraeg Facebook i chi. Iawn, eirian dwi a fi ydy tiwtor wythnos yma. Iawn, mae'n ddydd Mercher. Mae'n braf yn yr Wyddgrug, mae'n braf iawn heddiw. Gobeithio bod hi'n braf. I hope it's nice for you, lle da chi hefyd. Iawn, reit. Da ni'n mynd i wneud rhywbeth gwahanol. We're going to do something different heddiw. Okay? Mae Helen wedi deud, Helen's told you, Cymraeg is a phonetic language. It's more or less, you read it as you see it, okay? Os da chi eisiau help, if you want to help to know how to say specific letters yn Gymraeg, if you go on Uned 1 on www.learnwelsh.cymru or www.dysgucymraeg.cymru, you'll see a lot of help about how to pronounce Welsh, okay? Ond da chi wedi bod, we've been doing it all along, and it's Uned 16, and you've heard a lot of Welsh already, iawn? Ond, da ni'n mynd i ymarfer, we're going to practice efo geiriau, efo enwau llefydd with place names, okay? Iawn. Felly, beth sy'n bwysig, what's important, is to remember, A, there are no silent letters. Rhaid I chi ddeud, you've got to say every letter yn Gymraeg, okay? B, da ni'n siarad fel hyn. We talk in waves, so we've got an accent, emphasis, iawn? Felly, lle mae'r pwyslais? Where is the emphasis? Well, os da chi'n deud gair bach, fel rhewl, neu cair, iawn? One syllable, one emphasis, iawn? Ond, efo dau sill, two syllables, dyma Bangor. Bangor. Didwch Bangor. 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 Dyma ni. Bangor. So mae'r pwyslais, the stress, is on the first syllable, prif un. Okay? Ond, the important thing, it's the one before the last. So Bangor. Yeah? Okay. Da ni'n gwybod, we've been saying this, okay? Sut da ni'n deud? Dolgellau. Iawn? Dolgellau. A chi? Dolgellau. Dolgellau. Take care with the new letters. Dolgellau. Okay? Dolgellau. So mae'r pwyslais, the stress is on the middle syllable. Okay? Rhif 2 o 3. Number 2 of 3. Right, rwan. Gair newydd, a new name. Now there's a lot of double letters here. Machynlleth. Triwch. Machynlleth. Eto? Machynlleth. A chi? Machynlleth. Dyna ni, Machynlleth. We'll come back to Machynlleth in a minute. Okay, rwan. You know the word llan. Llan is church. Llan, okay? So, Llangranog. Eto? Llangranog. A chi? Llangranog. Llangranog. Iawn. Rwan. Another double letter is r, okay? Rhydaman. A chi? Rhydaman. Eto? Rhydaman. Rhydaman. Iawn. Okay. Beth am 4 sill? What do we've got 4 syllables? Dyma ni, ein ffrind, Abercynon. Abercynon. So stress ar y cyn, yeah? Abercynon. 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 Aberystwyth. Aberdyfi. Lots of places efo aber, 4 syllables, okay? Aber. Iawn. Hawdd iawn, very easy. Hawdd iawn. Rwan, beth am, what if we've got 2 words? Okay, so glyn, 1 syllable. Ebwy. Glyn, ebwy. A chi? Glynebwy. Glynebwy. Iawn. Weithiau, sometimes, a word looks like one name, but it's actually got two words in it, okay? Felly, here, both parts need equal. Penarth, penarth. Pen, head, yeah? Penarth, yeah? Penarth. Weithiau, there's three words, fel tal y bont. Tal y bont. Pont, bridge. Bridge, fel pont y pridd. Tal y bont. Tal y bont. Iawn? A'r un mwyaf enwog, the most famous, is Caerdydd. Caerdydd. Caer, castle. Dydd, day. Fel dydd merched. So it's two words. Caerdydd. Caerdydd. Iawn? Okay, so, sut yn dweud? Caerdydd. Sut dan ni'n dweud? Tal y bont. Sut dan ni'n dweud? Penarth. Penarth. Sut dan ni'n dweud? Glyn ebwy. A sut dan ni'n dweud? Abercynon. Abercynon. Okay. Sut dan ni'n dweud? Rhydaman. Rhydaman. A sut dan ni'n dweud? Llangranog. Llangranog. A Machynlleth. Machynlleth. Ac yn olaf, Bangor. Bangor. Right, da ni'n mynd I gario ymlaen. We're going to carry on with the pattern dwi'n dwad o. And I've written the ones at the left. Okay? So, Bangor. Bangor. Right. O le mae nhw'n dwad? O le mae nhw'n dwad? Mae nhw'n dwad o... We change the B altogether to a V. Mae nhw'n dwad o Fangor. Pawb? Mae nhw'n dwad o Fangor. Mae nhw'n dwad o Fangor. O Fangor. A, to help with Machynlleth. Machynlleth. And we say the same. Mae o'n dwad o Fachynlleth. Mae o'n dwad o Fachynlleth. Mae o'n dwad o Fachynlleth. Mae o'n dwad o Fangor. Mae o'n dwad o Fachynlleth. Felly, we've got two letters that change to V. B a M. Okay, so mae gennym ni 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, ac yfory, da ni'n mynd I edrych ar rh a ll, a da ni'n mynd I ymarfer. We're going to practice all those letters. Yeah? If you want to have a look at the pattern, ewch I uned 4, learnwelsh.cymru, and mynediad, the mynediad course, and you'll see a lot of things to help you practice. And if you go to gwales.com, you will be able to buy the book and you can look at all the lessons. Okay? A diolch yn fawr I Eiri am helpu ni heddiw, a welai chi fory. Hwyl am y tro.